the only two women standing.
Say that again.
The only two women standing.
Again.
The only two women standing. We don't bust center.
We don't bust center.
Because we don't get choice.
We don't get choice. And we don't come with Arsenal.
You get it now.
We get that with our own Arsenal.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, you don't hear the voice of Lady JJ.
Yes, sir.
The Asap with the one of Naija FM. Of course, the energy got itself. Make up, please.
Yes, sir.
We still come with it. Time don't reach for us to cross the bridge. But before then, I go first ask the DJ how she did. Because now last week we see last on top, on air.
On
we
air.
see off air.
We see off air, yes.
Yeah, so
the last time we see you now Thursday.
Yeah, last week
Thursday.
Yeah.
And then we can't see again Friday. We go NSCPD. Are they
No, I say on air.
On air. Okay, so on air we did it together.
Thursday.
Last
week Thursday. Every day off air now.
Off air. But I would like we will still talk small on the NSCPD prayer conference.
Before they talk, so you don't turn station to religion.
No, we say you do, but now we go.
We go. It was good. I know what, because Lady J, the fact that say I post that thing on top of my social media.
Yeah.
If you see how many messages entered my like people sending me DM. Say, oh, so you there among these millions of Nigerians where they carry church for head.
I don't understand.
Say the way they carry religion for head.
How?
Because one of them said, this is the reason why Nigeria is still backward to today. It's because of gatherings like this. When it's time for protest, you will not see Nigerians. They will not come out like this en masse. How many of them actually voted in the last election? How many of them did this? How many of them did that? I say, number one. I say, if you go this kind gathering, you dey sure say you go alive, you come back alive. You dey sure say nothing go happen to you.
Yes.
I said we know wetin happen during the
EndSARS.
I was at the EndSARS, and I dey sure say millions of people too wey dey that particular gathering we will go on Friday, they dey at the EndSARS. But they go tell you say they don't do it. They don't lean so much on their own understanding. They don't try their best to make sure say, oh, they do the right. Maybe as the thing no work, you just okay. Well, now Baba God hand be there now. I say, but number you people should stop coming to my DM. If I post it on my story, I'll not post down for you. No be you be the right audience. If you see comments where people send to me, I was shocked. I can't say, am I living a life where no they glorify God? Where people get this they say, oh, say, so you there among those set of people.
Waiting they wrong with that gathering. They need to answer.
I say if it was a Olamide concert, live concert, the video sold out, O2 Arena, everywhere full. Nobody is going to talk.
Nobody go talk.
But when it comes to, now I talk to you know what?
I get waiting in the talk. And you need to understand something. Everybody get the right to go where they want to go. You don't get the right to tell people where to go and where not to go. See, that EndSARS protest till today, we still they heal from the traumas we share. People lost their children. People lost their spouses. A lot of things we share. People lost a great chunk of their business when they break into those shops. So at the end of the day, the after effects of that matter still there for granted. Now we don't hear anything about them. No. Anything tangible don't come up from that one. So we no fit. No, now come on now. Me una know they do this kind of thing. Abba.
No, not be small.
Now what for this our country?
At some point,
Nigeria,
I won't say like I go even block some set of people come out from my followership, because if you dey shock, say I put something like that for my story, then you don't know me. Yes, you don't know me at all, because God, if you know me, you will talk say. Why you self they put religious? I said, see, I'm not religious, I'm spiritual. I take my spiritual level, I take I'm serious. I know be somebody we go carry one particular denomination for here, say yeah, na me. But I got my own personal work with God.
Everybody gets a personal work with God. I beg. May we stop today judge people based off on waiting them believe in. I beg.
All right, well, before we move over into some other matter where we get on top across the bridge, they just say you need to know, say they go close some road for inside Lagos for good 8 hours.
Hey.
Yes. So
which roads be those?
I won't give us the details right now, because they won't do the Lagos City Marathon for this year. I think now Access Bank Lagos City Marathon where people go run for this year. So, and in preparation, the marathon go kickstart on Saturday, this Saturday, February 15th. The State Commissioner of Transportation, Oluwaseun Osiyemi, now can let us know, say they will close these places where I want to talk about now. They will close them from 5 a.m. in the morning to 1 p.m. 5 a.m. in the morning to 1 p.m. Where be the places? Well, Ikorodu Road towards Anthony. Ikorodu Road towards Anthony. Bagada to Third Mainland Bridge. No this and no peace. Bagada. Bagada to the Third Mainland Bridge. Inbound Lagos Island through Dolphin Road. Alfred Rewan Road. Falomo Roundabouts. Bodilon Road. Crossing the Lekki Koyi Link Bridge to Admiralty. Ozumba Mbadiwe Avenue. Akin Adeshola. Amadu Bello. And they go conclude them for Eco Atlantic. I hope so you don't know all of them, and you go fit tell your friends them. So before they start shouting, I don't know what is going on. There was no prior information. They are just closing anyway, anyhow. Before you know by Monday, nothing say if you can't report this thing to me on Monday, I'm not gonna answer you because they give information. I say from 5 a.m. in the morning to 1 p.m. on Saturday, based on the Lagos State Marathon, where they will do. They go close all these places where I won't mention for some hours before they go come open them after that particular marathon. And of course they also let us know, so they don't ensure safety to ensure safety, rather, say they don't prevent unauthorized access to the race corridor, adjoining road junction and intersection. So they could say all those places they could block them with concrete barrier. And the traffic officials from last month to Nigerian Police Force to FRSC to LSNC and Loma, they go put them for some strategic points and places. So for those where we say they want to use alternative routes from Ikeja, you feel use the Ikorodu Road / Funshaw Williams Avenue to connect to Eko Bridge and continue all the way to Outer Marina. From Badagry or Mile 2, you feel pass through Apapa, through Orile, link Eko Bridge and continue through Outer Marina as well. From Surulere, you feel access the island through Ikponri, Igomu. You feel link Eko Bridge to Outer Marina. From Lagos by the Express to Alimowe, the environment, you feel take the Ojota Slip Road, connect to Ikorodu Road and continue with through Funshaw Williams Avenue to Eko Bridge. From Okota, the same way you use Mile 2 / Orile, connect to Eko Bridge and Outer Marina. Then from Shongota, you feel pass through Mushin to go link Funshaw Williams Avenue and proceed to Eko Bridge. From Ekpe-Lekki Expressway, that is Aja and the environment, use Mawa Junction, connect to Admiralty Way and cross the Lekki Ikoyi link bridge. From Lagos Island, divert to Akmongbon Bridge, then to Eko Bridge and do waiting access stay roundabout through Ikponri and Bode Thomas. Then they say maybe not these alternative places right now because the Third Mainland Bridge go there closed
for 8 hours.
Yes. The Third Mainland Bridge will be closed to traffic heading towards Lagos Island, but it go there open for those people where they waka to the mainland. So it go there closed for those where they come to the island, but it will be open for people where they go from the island to the mainland. So before you say what's going on, they don't let you know, say may use this alternative road based on top the 10th edition of the Access Bank Lagos Marathon. So tell somebody, may tell another person about this particular marathon so they go fit take alternative places. All right, Lady JJ, earlier on you mentioned something, based on top, you say something about first love, first love. Say you don't even yet say some people where they say they talk, say they be first love in the like person say okay, Mr. A was my first love, Mrs. B was my first love. Where they don't already marry, say that they come out to talk, so they still they in love with each other. That's why the fact say they don't marry. Lady JJ, oh, okay, all right, you and very I don't understand.
No vex. Now just something we need to sort out.
So now you talk, say now wait, you want to talk about
first love. So I watched one movie yesterday, and these people now then they in love when then they in school, university, but some of them go their different ways now. Then they come marry different people. Then they move they don't know say where they move to. Now the estate where this the wife ex
they live
with him wife, and they stay, see their house, see their own house.
Wow.
They say they can't play truth or dare. The man can't.
So each family to do truth or dare.
They want party. They want party like that. I think now estate, somebody in the estate, they celebrate a party. Then he can't okay, play truth or dare. They can't dare the ex, they make he kiss the wife.
As married people.
I don't
understand.
Then blindfold the wife. Then blindfold the lady. So but she say she still dey familiar with him smell or something. Say she can't remember all those feelings. Say feelings can't come back. They can't text each other. They can't call. Nobody say they don't do anything. Eventually, the wife open up to the husband and say she still get feelings for this man. The other one go they tell him wife say make them get divorce. Anytime they want take, the man go say he no fit take because he go tell her say na just stress. Now later the wife come find and say so now because of her, you go say you dey stressed out because you dey think about her. So wahala can't enter inside the whole matter. So when I dey watch the whole thing, I can't dey vex. I dey vex for woman because this not like how many years ago. Una don't go in different ways, marry different people. Now they talk say you still get feelings for your ex. What do you want? Do you want to go back to her?
Well, number one, thank God in Nollywood. Because
but those things don't happen in real life.
Number two, I don't see where married people where we say no be inside unless if your relationship, because some people they get open marriage. If your marriage is not open marriage, how you go somewhere they say they do truth or dare. You can't they dare married woman make go kiss another married man. Like I don't understand. I don't say that they do truth or dare if you're a single person. You understand? I don't go some events maybe say as a single person. Of course they go do truth or dare for those places. Well, as a married people, when we say no be open relationship or marriage, when I get. In a contact say now go one estate, now they do truth or dare. They call it dare my husband. Hey, make it go kiss another woman. And my husband, because normally truth or dare, they always talk say if you know if you do you go pay money.
Or you go
drink. So my husband no can respect me to say okay, you go drink or pay money. You go want go kiss another man wife. You cannot dare it.
I don't see I think it happened of one time like that. Whether na one party or whether na brother something, sha. Say then dare the man. The man did there with his wife.
This one a real life or still no
real life.
The man dare his wife.
No, then dare the man. Say make him kiss his wife friend.
For what?
Say that the wife. Say when the man they move towards you, the friend. Now the wife can't go block him. Say what happen? Which kind of waiting they happen? Now she gonna vessel. Let's say I don't want to go tell and say I dare here. I don't go tell my husband say make you go kiss my friend. Say what happen? Say now she scattered
the man.
I remember that incident. Say don't happen.
The man will really respect and value his wife. He no need his wife to go block him. Now immediately he go talk say I can't do such a thing. He go stand on his word say I cannot do such a thing. Because even me as a woman self, they tell me as a married woman, you can't tell me say they two or dare make a go kiss another man, another woman husband for what? Because I think the man, as if the man really loves the woman, love his wife and respect him and value him, the man now ain't go say no by himself. His wife no need to constant say what's the meaning of that. That means now the wife love the man. Nobody say the man really love the woman like that. Now the woman respect the man. Nobody say that the man respect him. So well, the question why now where they ask me say,
how is it possible say after many years you marry somebody as you still love each other? So this thing what they call first love, it know they ever go away. I be waiting happen.
Well,
I don't understand.
You and I, we are still single, and I think at some point we will don't get first love. So the person when me first love ever. Oh, I know if you mention his name. Now that my back they always mention people's name. See, the guy is married now. In fact, it's not in Nigeria, but he's married now. But before he travel, me and him don't see so many times. Not be saying no be my first love and the rest of them, but I don't see. Somebody if he talks, maybe you don't really love him. I really liked him, but I know the kind likeness or love maybe I get from him at that time you know, go drag me or push me to the extent say I go on
day with him
even though
again,
even after knowing say he's with another
marry.
woman. No, I'm not going. No. I don't get that kind of likeness or love for somebody who go make me.
No, it don't make any sense. Because me personally, what I think now, once somebody don't move on,
yeah,
you don't move on.
Exactly.
You don't need to they go back to go they dig out old.
So your own first
memories.
love now, you feel go back, dig out old memories.
I don't feel go back to him.
You know, some people they talk.
I don't talk about. Okay, no be you. Now last week, Ima asked me about my first love.
Okay.
And I shared that story about my first love. But the truth of the matter now, see, we don't evolve. We don't grow. If you ask me now, say I go one date with my first love, no, not at all.
But some men go tell you say once they be always they be.
No, that one now for inside your mind though. So first of all, who write that law?
So, but that once they be always they be. That one is not first love. Oh. That one na chichonyo. Say the first time you don't do chichonyo with somebody, you go to always do the chichonyo. He say lie.
Nah, lie. All that. First of all, who write that law? Who put that decree for grant? Say once they be, always they be. No,
he say if you don't want to debe, you go say
now. You go say no now.
So many people don't go debe to the person where they don't suppose debe to. Now they regret her. We don't read so many G's. We don't see so many stories. Where the person we not supposed always debe go back to debe.
They always debe.
And after the person not debe, he they regret saying debe.
So see, nobody puts gun for your head. Say because you and this person date now your first love, you must carry on for the rest of your life.
Yes.
Nobody put that gun for your head. No.
Wow.
You still get the right to make choices. See, somebody is even people going to say, okay, what if now God tell you say this person now your own? See, if God tell you say marry this person and you don't agree marry the person, God don't go come down, come carry spear or sword say you my friend, you must marry the, you don't go do him. Now you don't give you the power of choice. If you say after he choose for you, you say you don't want, he don't go force you. But the consequences where they for front.
Yeah.
Now you go bear him. You understand? You know. So I beg, maybe we'll stop. Maybe we'll deliver ourselves from that mindset. Say first love, once they bear, always they bear. No, not at all. Because me, my first love, I don't want to go back to her. I wish I'm the best. We don't even see. Not be say I never. We don't see. He don't move on with in life. He don't marry, get children. And I wish I'm the very best, but I don't wish to date with him. And secondly, if and not somebody where you don't date before, come back, come they tell you say, I still miss you, I still remember this, I still remember that. That person don't like you. That person don't want make you move.
Just do your and let it go.
Move away.
Which one be?
I
wish.
You wish waiting. I beg
you be wizard. What are you wishing? I beg.
All right,
before we go pack our load come up from Mr. So Lady J. So that's all yesterday as I walk on social media now. I can't they see say animals, you know, they always as we they get the you know say we get top 5 richest men in Africa, top 5 richest men in the world, top 5 richest men in so. Now so they get for animals, so they get top 10 or 5 richest animals in the world.
So who them be?
Hey, not be dog day, cat day among the top richest pets. Where we say when they tell me about how much these dogs and animals get for their accounts. The money where we say they get based on
how they want use
people
the money.
You know say for Oyinbo now they take pets as children. No be here where we say you just put one bingo for one place. Tell them go they shop at shop boom. For there they take all these animals as their babies. You know say I'm a cat dad.
I'm a dog dad.
I'm a dog mom.
Some go even say I'm a lion dad. They get this guy with name be Dean. I don't forget this guy now they call him the lion man.
Wow.
You see the way this guy they play with lions.
You go tell you say he be lion daddy now.
You call him boy. You give 3 of them name. One na Dexter, one na Snow, one na Nyla. That na the. So one and you will see as they jump on top of him and say
Wahala.
Hey, you get one time when he hide behind tree. So one of the male lions come they from far they look him. Now you can't say someone is sneaking on me. And he hold him phone.
That video before with the dog. Sorry, the lion.
And he thinks I can see him.
Yeah.
Now the lion can't jump. Why he can't turn? Because the lion can't come. I say Naija, he can't hug him.
Wahala.
I say yeah.
Wahala. So make I just sharply touch like this. These animals where they talk say they be the richest animals. As we get richest men, the richest animals / pets, because now pets they actually be thankful to their wealthy owners. You know, wow. Now them transfer some wealth to them. Like Taylor Smith self too. Taylor Smith's cats too. They are among one of the richest.
So
pets
how
in the
much
world.
you get?
Wait now, I'll give you. So because the one for Taylor Smith, like they say now almost three of these cats now she gets as a cat mama. We say cat be. Mama. Wait, just hold on for a bit. Let me check time to be sure of the price and the amount where they talk say that cat gets for your account. So on top number 5, Taylor Swift, he gets 3 cats. He get Meredith Grey and Benjamin Button. No be name of human being, no, na cat too. So before you think say na name of person I dey talk, so
na name of cat.
So Nala, now the name of this cat. Nala get 4.5 million followers on Instagram.
Whoa!
And this Nala don't do campaign with Google, Uber, PetSmart, and they say this cat they worth 73 million pounds.
Hey!
See him.
Cat.
Yeah. Did you see Nala?
I see him.
You don't do huh?
Oh.
You know what say cute.
Cute, very cute.
Did you see her eyes? Yeah. So
you
Nala,
feel like innocent baby.
Yeah. Nala they worth 75 million pounds.
Hey, DJ, how much you worth?
So don't be only Mala in the top place. There is another cat, you know, where we say get 264,000 followers, and the German designer Nain get that particular cat. You know, this German designer been living with him fortune when he died in 2019. So the name of the cat, Chupet. And the name of the cat, yes, Chupet. And the name of the cat. So Chupet is worth 12 million euros.
Hey God. Hey God. Hey God.
12 million euros. Now they say in what? Then another dog called is it cat or dog with this one where in name na Boda Collie Lulu. They say this one to inherit fortune from our businessman Bill Doris. Say in fact this one Boda Lulu na dog. Say not be only money. Say even inherit real estate. Plus investment.
Oh my goodness.
So they say they worth 4.5 million euros. See him.
What?
Did you see the dog?
I see him.
The dog is saying hi, Lady JJ.
Hi to you too.
So another dog away there for even Katy Perry music video. You know, for one of our hit songs, Swish, and don't they photograph with celebrities including Justin Bieber, Billie Eilish, Shakira, where they number 5, where they under 30. They say that one they worth 1.3 million pounds. See the dog.
God, which kind rough play be this one?
Oh, you get some other ones. Maybe say I see you, but time no day. Maybe I will take the other ones later. But you know, I just feel of this animal.
Which
pets,
kind rough play be this one?
Say, you know, their net worth is strong.
So what is our own net worth?
Our network is in Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen. Amen. See you tomorrow.